to go? Welcome to today's vlog. In this video, we're going to be exploring a few places in Newburyport. I'm really excited to take you guys along. Let's go.
It's so exciting to be able to...
We have arrived at Maudslay Park. It's a little windy and cold today. There's still some snow on the ground because it's March, but it's just so pretty here. And it just feels so good to be out in nature. Whoa, it's a little icy out here today. Whoa, be careful! Woo! Oh my gosh, I almost fell over. Oh no, I'm so nervous that my mom's gonna fall. I love it here because it's such like there's so many twists and turns, and I don't know, the trees are just so tall and beautiful. Like, it makes it so scenic looking.
And these are all wild rhododendrons.
Like, just look how beautiful that is. That's why I love coming here. Usually that's a whole pond out there. It's like so pretty in the summertime. They have these little benches that you can sit at that overlook the water over here. Wow, look at this view. Huge tree that collapsed. Whoa, that's massive. Ripped right off. Wow.
I thought I was gonna have to pick her up. She went flying.
Really? I love that tree. That's so unique. Oh my gosh, it's so old. It doesn't even matter how cold it is, or it's just so nice to get out in nature. They have a lot of like bridges in here and cool spots for photography as well, which is why I also love this place. I mean, just look at this view. It is unreal. There's honestly nothing like being by the water. It is just the most stunning view ever. How'd you get so dirty? Huh? You got so dirty. Hey! Look how dirty you are. What are you doing? You're so dirty. Look at her. You're so small and dirty.
Oh, you're such a dirty little girl. You're happy though.
Oh wow, look at that. That is so pretty. And look at all the carvings in the tree too. They have this like beautiful garden that I didn't even know was here. That's a cool little statue there. Yeah, this reminds me of the rose garden that they have at Lynch Park.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I keep saying Endicott, Lynch. Well, they're all old estates that were donated in the Lynch Park. An incredibly generous thing to do for the community. Because these green spaces are so important.
Yeah.
It means that it can't ever be developed. Doing this is one of the most important things for mental health, too.
Yeah, it is.
So that's why we need these spaces so people are active.
I know like going out in nature just makes my day.
And it's where God is. You can always find God in nature.
Yeah. Mhm.
He's everywhere.
Yeah, it's just like a certain type of connection. Like you just feel so connected to what's real. I actually think this is like a horse stable. So cool. Wow, look at all that moss up top. Wow, that color is just stunning. What an adventure.
Oh, wow. Is that the parking lot?
Yep. Yeah, it's like a big loop and there's like a ton of trails. What should we do?
Bring a picnic. Nice spring day. Let's sit at that table right there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you guys can have picnics here.
We could do a charcuterie.
Love a good charcuterie board.
Salad.
Little bit of wine.
Yeah. Really nice. Followed by a nice latte. Where's the coffee shop you talked about?
It's in downtown Newburyport. I'll show you.
Oh.
I think it's called the Coffee Factory.
Have we been to it before? I'm sure we have.
Yeah. The next place that we're gonna go is the Coffee Factory in downtown Newburyport. It has the best coffee. I think I'm gonna get a small iced caramel latte with oat milk and I'm gonna make it decaf. I love all of these houses driving through Newburyport too. What are these called? Like a colonial or?
Yeah, I think they're colonials. There's different names for them. We should look it up. Garrisons, mostly colonials.
I actually did a whole report on like the history of Newburyport and it was just so cool to learn about like the settlers and how Newburyport actually like developed, and it developed because of its port. It's on the water, so that's why they settled around here, because they could ship stuff in and out on boats. Created an industry here. So this is downtown Newburyport. Take a right here. They have a bunch of shops and everything here. It's super cool to explore. And then you can find parking anywhere because it's gonna be up here on the right. What is this called? State Street?
Yeah. Oh,
Alright, so we're about to be arriving at the coffee factory. It's right here on the corner.
Go ahead. Thank you very much.
It's okay. Thank you. Wow, this coffee is so good.
Is it?
Yeah. So now we're going to New Kitchen to pick up some food. New Kitchen is like one of my favorite places in Newburyport because they have all like clean food and it's like clean eating and super healthy. But wow, this looks so good. What was this called again? The bon.
It's called
This is a
bowl.
a bowl, banh mi bowl. Not really sure, but it has like chicken and cabbage, cilantro, avocado, a bunch of good stuff in it. And then we also got this turkey avocado wrap. This is one of my favorite wraps that they offer there. It is so good. I think it's like the sauce. It comes with like chipotle aioli or something. Chicken, bacon, avocado, lettuce. So good. We're eating in the car because we have the dog. It's hard to take her into the restaurant and stuff. Although dogs are allowed in a lot of the restaurants in Newburyport, which is nice.
She just gets very overexcited.
And I think next we're gonna go to the Pink House. I'm super excited for that. I love looking at, yeah, there's 555 as I'm literally about to say it. I love looking at people's license plates because it's like a sign for me. They're like signs for me. And I just saw another license plate that said very fun. Like it's just so cool to look at people's license plates.
So straight all the way?
Yep.
Oh, this is the way to the ocean.
Yeah, so from downtown Newburyport, you can pretty much go straight to Plum Island, which is where the Pink House is located. And yeah, they have this really cool walk by the ocean. Me and my mom have actually done it before. In the summer, it is so beautiful. It goes all through downtown Newburyport and all the way over here to Plum Island. Here it is. We're coming up on the Pink House.
Yeah, everybody's taking pictures of it. Want to pull over?
Here we are at the Pink House. I'm so sad because this could be the literal last time that I'm documenting being at the Pink House because they're gonna tear it down at the end of this month, which is super sad. I can't believe it. It's just been here on Plum Island for so long and I feel like it's just such a historic landmark and for them to tear it down is just so sad. It's so sad. This is like an iconic piece of Newburyport and Plum Island. I think they're tearing it down because the wildlife sanctuary wants to tear it down because it's like harming the land or something. I'm not really sure. But yeah, it's so sad. Oh wow, look, there's an airplane flying right over the top of the house. That's crazy. So that's so cool. It's just so crazy that it's gonna be gone. So that concludes today's vlog, a little adventure and exploration in Newburyport. There are so many other cool places to explore in Newburyport too, but those are just the places that we chose to go today. We wanted to get outside and obviously see the pink house before it gets demolished. So I'll definitely do a lot more vlogs of Newburyport come the summer, because I do come here a lot in the summer. So definitely stay tuned for those vlogs and for those adventures. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you learned a little bit about Newburyport and some of the cool places that it does have to offer and a little bit of its history. And it's so sad to see its history go away, but you know, everything comes to an end at some point. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!